Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're excited to have you here. Stay tuned for great content.
Top 4 New Collection Remote Control Aircraft Review 2025.
Number 4.
The Fixe drop-resistant flying wing Deltowing glider is perfect for FPV and carrier aircraft enthusiasts. Its durable, crash-resistant design ensures reliability during flights. Featuring a quick-release fixed wing structure, it supports easy assembly and disassembly, making it ideal for crossing challenges and agile remote control operations.
Number 3.
Description. Hello dear friends. Welcome to my shop. If you have any questions and can't find the relevant product model and price, please contact me via I will answer your questions and send you the link of the product you want to buy. Welcome to call. I hope we can reach a cooperation.
Number 2.
The Hewing T1 Ranger PNP VTOL conversion pack is designed for FPV enthusiasts seeking versatility. With a 730mm wingspan, EPP construction, and dual motor setup, it ensures durability and smooth flight. Ideal for modifications, this RC plane supports stable transitions between vertical and horizontal flight.
Number 1.
Features. Independent detachable lens plug for both FPV and visual observation flights. Wings have embedded carbon fiber rods with different angles. Small wingspan with large space for electronics. For magnets are applied to the hatch for better fastening. The new wingtip design supports vertical takeoff mode.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media, for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.